Hi there, intelligent travelers. If you've ever had to lug around an overpacked suitcase in the airport, this one's for you. Today, we're sharing 15 things experienced travelers never put in their bags and why airlines are secretly happy you don't know any better. Here's the deal. Most travelers pack as if they're going to a remote island, bringing tons of just-in-case stuff and big heavy items they won't use. Meanwhile, travel experts zip through security with half-full bags, lighter steps, and no regrets. Why? Because they know what's truly worth including and what's just taking up space and cash. Spoiler alert, airlines really make money when you overpack. Heavy bags equal more baggage charges for them and more trouble for you. What's worse, a lot of the stuff you believe is travel essentials are fixing problems that don't exist at all. The travel world hopes you'll think you need all this stuff. But savvy travelers? They've figured out the secret, and once you see what they're leaving behind, you'll rethink your whole packing strategy. Let's get started. 15. Neck pillows. The comfort trap. We've all observed it, tourists, swearing by those U-shaped neck pillows during long flights. But the reality is, they're clunky, only usable for a few hours, and occupy valuable luggage space for your entire trip. You may sleep through takeoff, but then you're stuck lugging a huge foam ring from airport to hotel to day trip. Pro tip: say goodbye to bulk. Opt for an inflatable one that folds flat, or even better, carry a rolled-up scarf. Same comfort, no bulk. And here's the surprise. Most experienced airliners don't even bother with either. They've discovered better ways to be comfortable without cluttering up. 14. Guidebooks, bulky and obsolete. Still carrying all those big chunky travel books? Airlines adore it. Why? Because all those Lonely Planet bricks weigh 1 to 2 pounds per book. Pile a couple in your carry-on, and you've already gobbled up a huge chunk of your weight allowance before you've even stuffed in socks. Pro tip: get digital versions on your phone or Kindle app. They're searchable, spill-proof, and always current. Ponder that a space saver. Wait until you find out the next most popular faux pas that's bogging down travelers. 13. Hair dryers. The hotel already has one. Here's a packing blunder even frequent flyers commit: packing an ordinary hairdryer. Almost all hotels or Airbnb venues already supply one, yet travelers still stuff these heavy, cumbersome appliances into their luggage, just in case. What's the outcome? Space wasted and unnecessary weight airlines are eager to capitalize on. Pro tip: want your particular model for a large event? Send it ahead. It's sometimes less expensive than the bag fees you'll incur dragging it around the airport. But here's the kicker. It's not only luggage room that you're wasting. Next up, we're discussing something even better: your money. 12. Excess cash. A pickpocket's dream. Carrying a wad of foreign currency may seem prudent, but it's one of the most dangerous things you can do when you travel. It makes you a prime target for thieves, to start with, but you'll also miss out on getting the best exchange rate. Airports and foreign exchange offices charge you astronomical fees, and foreign machines in ATMs usually charge per pull. Pro tip: carry a travel credit card with no foreign transaction fees and draw small amounts of local money from trusted bank ATMs alone. And never accept dynamic currency conversion. It's only a scam to make you pay more. And talking of money troughs, the following one leaches your wallet in no time without you even noticing. 11. International phone plans. You're paying too much. Here's something most travelers don't think twice about: those $10, $15 daily international roaming plans. Add that up, and you're spending $70 to $150 per week, money that could go toward your next vacation. And while airlines don't directly profit from this, they certainly benefit from travelers wasting money on services they don't need. Pro tip: utilize eSIM technology to have unlimited data overseas for a fraction of the price. Certain plans cost less than 2 days of roaming charges, no joke. Think that's a travel hack? Wait until you see what 90% of travelers bring along unnecessarily. 10. Towels. They're already at your hotel. Unless you're going through isolated jungles, bringing a towel is unnecessary and space wasting. Most resorts, hotels, and Airbnbs give you fresh towels, and yet some tourists stuff 1 or 2 into their suitcase just in case. Pro tip: If you absolutely must have one, bring a tiny microfiber towel for the beach or hiking. Otherwise, leave it to your accommodation tomorrow. They'll have clean towels for you. But now, let's discuss an item that appears really practical, but after 2 uses, turns out to be totally useless. 9. Luggage scales. A one-time wonder. Luggage scales are brilliant, until you factor in that you only need them twice on a trip. They occupy space and address a problem that is easily rectified by what you already possess back home. Pro tip: simply weigh out your suitcase on your bathroom scale. Step on with the case, deduct your weight, and boom, you're done. Leave the gadget behind and spare the space for souvenirs. 8. Hiking boots for urban vacations. The tourist trap. Here's a bad rookie tip. Arriving in a place like Paris or Tokyo, wearing hiking boots. There's nothing that screams first-time tourist more loudly. Airlines silently whistle because those boots and duffel gear are huge in size and weight raking in more in baggage charges. Pro tip: replace the hiking gear with fashionable, comfy walking shoes that can pass for museums, restaurant outings, and cobblestone street strolling. Fast break. If you've snagged even one handy tip so far, hit that like button. It helps more clever travelers find these genius packing tricks. And for more expert travel tips and airline insider tricks, subscribe and ring that notification bell so you never miss a trick. 7. Full-size toiletries. TSA's favorite bait. Still carrying full-size conditioner and shampoo? That's TSA bait. Thanks to the 3-1-1 liquid rule, those huge bottles are usually headed straight for the garbage or, at best, occupy valuable space and weight for no good reason. Tip: experiment with solid toiletries such as shampoo bars and soap sticks. They skirt liquid limits, don't leak, and take up much less space. Bonus: they tend to last longer too. Believe that's genius? The second item can totally revolutionize how you pack one of the most underemphasized necessities. 6. Cotton socks. Blister guarantee. Cotton socks look good until you've navigated 10,000 steps through cobblestones, airports, and tourist tours. They retain moisture, stink quick, and promise blisters after prolonged days on your feet. Pro tip: pack merino wool socks. They're breathable, odor-resistant, and you can wear them for multiple days without issue. 3-4 pairs can replace 7 or more cotton ones, which means less laundry and more luggage space. Ready for the item that's silently weighing down your entire suitcase? 5. Too many clothes. The wardrobe weight trap. Packing a different outfit for each day sounds logical, but it's the biggest weight mistake travelers make. Airlines profit a lot from that overcrowded checked baggage. Pro tip: keep it simple with a capsule wardrobe. Only 5-6 interchangeable wrinkle-free items can equal more than 15 outfit combinations. Mix, match, and reuse. Nobody will ever know, but your back and bank account will appreciate it. And now, let's discuss the psychological explanation of why so many individuals overpack. 4. What if? Items. Fear-based packing. What if it rains? What if I need this one quirky gizmo? That kind of thinking results in packing your bag full of items you'll never use. And did you know? Airlines make big money off your what if worrying. Reality check. If something comes up that's an emergency, you're not lost in the wilderness. You can purchase what you need on your way there. Pro tip: bring only the essentials that you know you'll actually use. Deal with the occasional what-ifs along the way and preserve your sanity. Now, prepare yourself for one of the most hyped tech products travelers continue to bring along. 3. Universal USB adapters. Completely overrated. At first glance, all of those pricey, do-everything universal USB adapters look like a stroke of genius. But seasoned travelers are wiser. They're clunky, likely to break, and the USB ports tend to power your devices at a glacial pace. And what if one piece breaks? The entire item is ruined. Pro tip: skip the pricey gadget. Instead, pick up simple, country-specific plug adapters. They're less expensive, more compact, and infinitely more reliable. Think that's shocking? This next item may surprise you because it's supposed to be common sense. 2. Luggage locks. False security theater. TSA-approved luggage locks provide reassurance, but it's a mirage. The majority can be sliced open in seconds by thieves or removed by TSA officials. Worse still, gaudy locks alert burglars to the possibility you have something valuable worth stealing. Pro tip: forego the locks. Travel with low-profile, bland luggage and never pack anything you don't want to lose. But now, let's discuss the number one thing nearly everybody packs and nearly nobody really needs. 1. Too many chargers. The heavy backup mistake. Travel experts have dropped this habit, bringing a dedicated charger or power bank for each device. Today's technology lasts longer on a battery, and charging stations are ubiquitous at airports, cafes, hotel rooms. Still, most travelers take a knotted bundle of cables and bricks weighing easily 2-3 pounds for no better reason. Pro tip: get yourself a small multi-port GAN charger that charges everything from your phone to your laptop. One gadget, minimal weight, complete convenience. Final thoughts: outsmart the travel industry. And there you have it, 15 things airlines hope in secret you'll keep packing. Why? Because they weigh you down, cost you cash, and fill your luggage with mess you don't require. The travel business exists off making you feel unprepared. But now you're in the know. So tell us, have you been guilty of making any of these errors? Have you recently abandoned any essentials that proved completely useless? Drop your experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to check out our next video, 10 new AI travel scams targeting seniors in 2025. You'll learn how to avoid the newest tricks that are costing travelers serious money. As always, like, comment, and subscribe for more tips to travel smarter, lighter, and stress-free. Until next time, safe travels.